Hello, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, Python lists. If you've ever wondered how to effectively manage and manipulate data in Python, you're in the right place. Stick around as we uncover the ins and outs of Python lists, from the basics to advanced techniques. Let's kick things off by understanding what Python lists are. In simple terms, a list is a versatile data structure that allows you to store and organize a collection of items. These items can be of different data types, making lists incredibly flexible for various applications. Now that we know what lists are, let's learn how to create them. First of all, I write list equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see we create a list. Let's display I write print list. Now run and see the list. Congratulations, we create your first list. Now add s element in list. I write list.append 6 and run. You see element add in a list. Let's remove I write list.remove 2 and run. You see 2 removed from the list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding and see you in the next video.